Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. These days, we are doing polar coordinates system. Under this system, we have done equation of line, equation of circle, and equation of conic. That is parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. Yesterday, we derived the polar equation of the chord joining 2 points on the conic. Today, with the help of this, we will derive the polar equation of tangent. So, let us continue. Two points on the conic. One is P and other is Q. PQ is the chord and the equation of the conic is L upon R equals to 1 plus E cos. This is the equation of conic. Equation of chord joining P R1 alpha times Q is L upon R equals to sec beta minus alpha by 2 cos theta minus beta plus alpha by 2 plus E cos. Yesterday we derived this equation. This is the equation of the chord of the conic joining these 2 points. That means this is the equation of the chord PQ, where P the vectorial angle is alpha and Q the vectorial angle is beta. Now remember, if this point Q approaches P, suppose Q is at this place, then it will be this. Suppose Q is at this place, then the situation is like this. Then if Q tends to P, then this yellow line, that means this one, becomes the tangent at the point alpha. Okay, this is the limiting case. So here it is. Finally, we find this one. That is. Okay, so I write it here. When Q tends to P, that means when beta tends to alpha, then PQ becomes the tangent at P. Sometimes we write the point like this, P alpha. Alpha means the vectorial angle of the point P. We are not mentioning the radius vector here. This is the vectorial angle. So, when Q tends to P, that means when beta tends to alpha, then PQ becomes the tangent at P. Okay, you look at the figure. Therefore, the equation of tangent P, L upon R equals Beta tends to alpha, so this part is 0. And sec 0 is 1. This is 2 alpha. 2 alpha upon 2. So alpha is remain here, so it is cos theta minus alpha plus e cos theta. Okay, so this is very important equation. This is the equation of tangents of the conic. L upon r equals 1 plus a cos theta at the points alpha. This is very important equation, so you have to remember this. By the way, this question is asked in the examination. Find or derive the polar equation of the tangent. Then first you derive this one. That means the equation of the chord. Then apply the condition. Then this chord becomes tangent when we have this type of situation. Okay. Therefore, the polar equation of the tangent at the points P of the conic L upon R equals to 1 plus E cos theta is L upon R equals to E cos theta plus cos theta minus alpha. The change is here, cos theta minus alpha. Okay, so this you have to remember. L upon R. It is this. Note. This is the conic. This is the tangent. This is L upon R equals to 1 plus E cos theta. What is the equation of this? L upon R equals to E cos theta plus cos theta minus alpha. If this is beta, then you write theta minus beta. If it is lambda, then you write theta minus lambda. This part will be as such. Okay. If the equation of the conic is L by R equals to 1 plus A cos theta minus gamma. Remember, theta minus gamma means when the axis is inclined at an angle gamma with the initial line. This we have done. So, if it is theta minus gamma, then what will happen? As usual, when equation of tangent, that is L upon R equals to this term we write this as so it is E cos theta minus gamma plus cos minus. Okay, this is as usual E cos theta. So here it is E cos theta minus gamma. What is gamma? The axis of the conic is inclined at an angle gamma with the initial line, because this form we have to also remember, but generally we consider this standard equation. But suppose if this one is given, then the equation of tangent at this point will be this one. Okay, so here it is the change. So be careful. Now we solve one particular question based on this article. Find the condition so as the line L upon R equals to A cos theta plus B sin theta may touch the conic L upon R equals to 1 plus E cos theta. Find the condition in such a way so as the line may touch the conic L upon R equals 1 plus E cos theta. This question may be asked in another form. Prove that if the line L upon R equals A cos theta plus B sin theta touches the conic prove that if the line L by R equals A cos theta plus B sin theta touches the conic, then A minus E whole square plus B square equals 1. Both are the same. If it is this, then we know the answer. Prove that if the line this touches the conic, then this holds. Means this line becomes the tangent. So if this is a tangent to this conic, then we have to prove A minus E whole square plus B square equals to 1. Here it is. Find the condition in such a way that the line may touch the conic. Both are the same. But in this one, we know the answer, and here we have to calculate the answer. That means this particular condition. Okay, so let us see. The conic is L upon R equals to 1 plus E cos theta. The equation of tangents at the points alpha of this conic is L by R equals to E cos theta plus cos theta minus alpha. This is the equation of tangents. If the line L upon R equals to A cos theta plus B sin theta touches the conic, then it will be the equation of tangents. That means equation 2 and equation 3 will represent the same okay. This is the equation of the conic. This is the tangent. If this is a tangent, that means this is a line which touches this one. But according to some, this line touches the conic. That means this is also the tangent. This is the tangent. This is also the tangent at the same point. That means both are same. That means equation 2 and equation 3 will present the same line. So what will happen? We will compare the like terms of these two equations. Okay. Equation 2 is rewritten as L upon R equals to E cos theta plus cos theta cos alpha plus sin theta sin cos of A minus B. Cos B plus sin sin. This is E times cos theta. Yes, it is E plus cos alpha into cos theta plus sin alpha sin. On comparing with equation number 3. How to compare? Here coefficient, here we say the left hand side L upon R, this is L upon R, both are identical. So this upon this will be 1. Comparison means the ratios of the coefficient of like terms. Here the coefficient of cos theta is A. Here the coefficient of cos theta E, by the way. But we find theta here cos. This is not the term involving the sign. So we just simplify this. When we simplify this, we find this one. Now here it is cos. Here we have. Here it is sin. Here we have. So now we compare this one. This upon this will be 1. It is 1 equals. What is the coefficient of cos theta? E plus cos alpha upon what is the coefficient of cos theta here? It is A plus coefficient of sin theta, sin alpha, and what is the coefficient of sin theta here? It is B. Whenever you find two equations represent the same locus, the same thing, then we can compare their coefficients of like terms. You always remember this. So, how to solve this question? We people know the equation of tangent. The given line, according to the sum, the given line is also the tangent. That means the both will represent the same thing. So, we compare the coefficients of like terms. Okay. Now, this implies A equals B plus cos alpha and B equals sin alpha. A minus B equals cos alpha and B equals sin alpha. This one and add you get. This is A minus B whole square plus B square equals cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that is 1 and so if the question is find the condition, that means this is the condition. If the question is prove that, then we have obtained this. So how to solve this question? Just recall, the given line touches the conic, maybe ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, whatever, maybe the circle also. So if the line touches the conic, that means the given line is a tangent. And we know the equation of tangent actually. So what will happen? We compare these two, and this is the way to compare this one. Now, alternative method. Suppose someone doesn't know the equation of tangent actually, then we use the basic concept. Just recall. If a line intersects the curve, second degree curve, in 2 points, then we can find their coordinates by solving their equations. And if points coincide, what will happen? The roots will be equal. What is the condition? When roots are equal, b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So we discussed the alternative method also. Okay, let us see. Alternative method. Conic is L upon R 1 plus E cos. The given line is L upon R equals A cos theta plus B sin. These are true. Line, curve, or point, whatever. By solving their equations, if we solve these two, we can find these 2 points. Roots will be different, distinct. But if this line touches this one, then these 2 points will coincide. Means roots are equal. Roots are equal. So we apply the condition b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So this is the basic one you always remember. Okay. So how to simplify this one? You can say on solving, we get 1 plus e cos theta equals to a cos theta plus b sin. So that is b sin theta minus 1 a cos theta. So you just transpose this side. It is a minus e cos theta is common, then plus b sin theta minus 1 equals to 0. How to reduce this equation? Recall the formula. Cos 2a 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square, and sin 2 1 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square. If tan a is assumed as t, then cos 2a will be 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, and sin 2a will be 2t upon 1 plus t square. Very important part. Trigonometry. Now here the angle is theta. So 2a is theta. So this is theta by 2. So here it is a minus e cos theta. So what will happen? It is theta. This is 2a. This is 2a, and this becomes a half. So 2a then a then it's a by 2. So theta then it will be theta by 2. Okay, so I write 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square plus b 2t upon 1 plus t square minus 1 equals to 0, where t is nothing, tan theta by 2. So it gives trigonometry, you can find the situation. Okay. Now we simplify this. This is a minus t into 1 minus t square plus 2tb minus 1 plus t square. Okay? This is a minus 1, a minus e into 1 minus a minus e into t square plus 2tb minus 1, okay, minus t square. Just rearrange the term. This is a minus t square minus 2ab. Change the sign. So this is plus 1. This is minus plus. So one more part. This is 1 plus a minus e into t square. Yes. Minus 2t. Change the sign. Then it is this is 1 minus a minus equals to एक बार वापस देखो कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक देखो साइन भी चेंज किया you just multiply the whole by negative sign. So this is minus here, this is minus of this is plus one is here, then this is minus, it is plus sign. Okay, fine. And it is plus, it is plus 1, and this is okay. This is quadratic in shape. Therefore, the given line will touch. Therefore, the given line will touch the conic if the roots are equal. Okay. The given line will touch the conic if the roots are equal. What is the condition of equal roots? B square. B square means the coefficient of t. So it is minus 2b whole square equals to 4. A means this one. 1 plus a minus. C means 1 minus a minus. Okay. I repeat. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Roots are equal if b square equals to 4ac or b square minus 4ac equals to 0. We have used this part. So here is this. And minus 2 square, that is 4. So this 4 and 4 will be cancelled out. So this b square equals to. Now look at this one carefully. And this one. Similarly, this and this. If you assume this is x and this is y, so this x plus y and x minus y. X plus y into x minus y is x square minus y square. So here it is. This 4 and 4 cancel out. So x square means this is 1 square minus y square means it is a minus e whole square. So just transfer this term. We find This implies a minus a whole square plus b square. Hence, so this is the way, that is alternate way to prove this one. So you always remember, it doesn't matter which type of conic is given, which type of line is given. So whenever you are given a line touches the conic or any curve, you just simplify these two equations and apply the formula b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now instead of the conic, L by R equals 1 plus E cos theta. Suppose it is E cos theta minus gamma. Then also you can apply the same substitution. आज के लिए इतना बहुत है. जितने भी वीडियोस बने हैं आप उनको रिवाइज कीजिए. डिफिकल्टीज हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर कमेंट कीजिएगा और अपने जितने भी दोस्त हैं जो इससे रिलेटेड है उनको लिंक दीजिएगा ताकि वो इसको पढ़ सके. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय हिंद.